What up, lovies? It's me, Nisha, coming to y'all with my thoughts on this month's BoxyCharm. This is April's BoxyCharm. And I just want to let you guys know my thoughts on what I received. I'm just go ahead and let the cat out the bag. I was very underwhelmed. I was not wowed at all about what I received in this BoxyCharm. And so far, I've only used one product. Two products out of this BoxyCharm so far. Like, I was just like not very enthused about seeing what's what. You know what I mean? So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into what I received. I don't have the box, throwing the box away, but this month is sweet treats. I guess that was a theme for April, which is, you know, that's cute or whatever. Okay. And on the back of this card, it just tells you everything that comes in your box. So the first thing on this little pamphlet is the Natasha, Denona, Ayanna palette, and it looks like this. It's cute or whatever. It retails for $48. Okay, so she cute or whatever. I was not like super duper wowed because these colors are cool. They give me cool, and yeah, they're very cool. I'm not a cool tone girl. Give me warmth, give me color, but it's just these cool tones. I am just I'm underwhelmed. My thoughts of this may change once I actually decide to use it, and I will let you guys know if my thoughts on it change. But haven't used it at all. I haven't even opened it to look at it. But they're too cool. They are so cool toned. Like, they are cool. You know, like, it's just cool tone palettes are just not my zhuzh. I will try it and see if my thoughts on it change, but just for now, just looking at the color palette, the color scheme or whatever, it's too cool for me. Okay. The next thing that I got in the this month's BoxyCharm is the Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. This one retails for $32. Okay, and it's by Touch and Soul. I've never ever, okay, I see. It's Japanese. Korean. It's a Korean brand. First time taking it up out the box. Okay, that's cute. That's a cute little container that it comes in. I'm not a sherbet girl, so I don't even know the feel or the texture of this, and I'm kind of scared to look at it because I'm not a sherbet girl, like, at all. And then it says the silicone friend has a cooling effect. See, my skin is super duper sensitive, and I don't even know how I'm gonna react to this. So I'm gonna try it, but I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, it comes in a big container, but all of that you saw was not like product inside the container. It has a big top, and it has like a little area where the product's sit in, and it's like, you know, a little translucent color on the outside. So it's not all product. It says it's a gel primer, which is cool. Instant cooling effect once applied, and hydrates and preps the skin for makeup. Okay, we'll try it out. Like, not today, but we'll try it out. The next thing I received was the Georgette Klinger Vitamin C Mask. This I did try. I was not wowed at all. Like, I said I needed to start doing masks for my face, like for my skin, because it is getting kind of dry or whatever. But I was excited about this mask. Underwhelmed. And I did like the fact that it is a clay mask. So that was cool, but it really didn't do much. I guess I got to keep using it to see the effects of it or whatever. And it's a vitamin C mask. So I will continue to use it, but I wasn't wowed. I was not, like, you know, shocked and amazed or whatever. And that retails for $36. Okay. And the next product I got was, I don't even know how you say this. It's QVEEN. I don't know if it's supposed to be Queen. I don't know. But This is it, and it is the Dragon Lash Mascara. Okay, that's cute. Got like dragons on it or whatever. Okay, okay. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this for my bottom lashes. I like that. Because all the mascaras I've been getting lately have these big bulky wands, and my eyes ain't that bigger. They not. But okay, that's cute. This one retails for $18. And then the last thing I got was a 2-piece Pluck It tweezer set. I got enough tweezers, y'all. Y'all could have kept this. Like, I really didn't need this. But all right, cool. Whatevs. And this retails for $18. Okay. And it's by Mana Kadar Beauty. So, as you can see with what I got, I am not, like, overwhelmed. This is just like an okay BoxyCharm for me. This was like the only one that I am just like, oh, okay, thanks. I think, you know, like I can't be mad at it, but I'm not like overly excited to use anything. The only thing I really wanted to use was the mask, and it just kind of left me like, all right, cool. I'll use you up, but I can't say that I would spend like my hard-earned dollars on it. Like I just, nah. I just know bentonite clay alone can do more than what that mask did for me, hands down. Like I already know that. So do you get BoxyCharms? Do you have the subscription? Like, were you excited with what you received? What did you receive? Have you tried anything? And you was just like, girl, I feel you, like completely. Okay, I feel you. Let me know, because this month I was just like, all right, cool. I think, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not like, I don't want to sound ungrateful or whatever for, you know, all the thought and things that goes into the box. Like, I appreciate that part, but girl, gotta go switch some things around in there, you know what I mean? But let me know y'all thoughts on your BoxyCharm box, or if you thought about getting a subscription, if you think it's worth it, and if you got everything I got and you use the palette and the primer and the mask and the tweezers and the mascara and it all worked out for you, let your girl know. Like, let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye, lovies.